a girl, bro.
Wow. Zach. All right.
That's a fake friend. He wouldn't find me a sweatshirt.
I'm finally doing something to this truck that's been overdue for a long time. These tires are going bye-bye. We're getting some real tires on it. Alright guys, so we're going to get Zach's new tires. We're on the drive here. And Zach, I just want to show everyone, because Zach keeps saying this is a Ram 1500, and everyone I'm sure believes him because he acts like he knows what he's talking about, but explain that, guys. What does that say, okay? In Zach's pickup, we're not in a different pickup. He has no good explanation for it.
I do have a good explanation for it, actually.
What is it?
Literally, it's because they switched in the middle of a generation, so that like they had to put something here, so they're gonna put Dodge there. Because
why didn't they take the Dodge out and put Ram 1500?
Because that's money you didn't need to spend.
Well, why didn't they just take the Dodge out and leave it blank?
I don't know, it probably looks like poop.
I don't know, I think it looks like poop being a Dodge. I only like Ram, I don't like Dodge.
Good, I guess you're in the right truck then.
All right, we're here. One last look. So here we are at Tim Hortons. Shout out to my sergeant for giving me his ride while my tires are getting done. Also, we didn't stop and record it, but there was a car sitting on the rim. That's true. In the parking lot. This is very true. What do you call those? Tire changes? So yeah, big shout out to my sergeant, Corey, for getting me these tires. Discount tire. Where are we? Flint? Yeah. Just playing a game of Connect 4. Hey, it's 4 in a row. We can't rip it off from Connect 4. Oh yeah, sorry. Alright, we're in the truck. They look amazing. I'm gonna go somewhere to show you guys. I'm not gonna do it in the parking lot there, but holy frick, does the truck look so good now. All right, here they are. Ooh, baby. So much better. It's like a friggin' divider. Oh, clouds, summer. Darn, we'll go to the beach over here. All right, guys, here's another look. Just brought it back from Flint, which is about 45 minutes away. She rode pretty good though. Little road noise, but that's okay. I like that anyway. And I do have the old tires for whenever I feel like burning them off. I gotta get a locker first, but they're all in there. Don't forget, Dodge. Turn the heat off, that doesn't. All right, so this guy wants to play, so we're gonna race.
It's a girl, bro.
Wow. Zach.
The Ram lost. Wow.
So, it's official. Zach's truck lost to the Mustang, but my truck would definitely beat it.
Darn.
God dang it, now I wish I had my truck.
It's the tires. Slow me down.
Literally, we get another chance, but Zach's gonna lose again, so. She's probably wondering why we got her on camera. Zach's gonna have to like blur her face out and whatnot. Oh, he got the jump on her, but yep, literally whooping his ass. That's a manual, isn't it? She's shifting better than your truck in automatic. Well, that was exciting. I'm pretty excited. I wish I had my truck so I could beat it, so we didn't lose like freaks. I mean, I'd probably like, you know, marry her. A girl that can outrace me? My wife.
Finally lost to a gasser.
Is that your first loss to a gasser?
Yep.
Not to a diesel.
Nope, gotta be by Cummins and by you.
But I also beat your other diesels.
We never raced my other one, did we?
Yeah, we did.
When?
Remember on the way to Mount Pleasant? I bet you she had 410s. That thing redlined quick. You know what it was? It was the tires in the back.
Yep.
And the weight.
Yep. Slowing you down.
Slowing me down, tires in the back.
Zach's got an excuse for everything, so.
Literally, I got beat.
Mine aren't 50% yet. The backs are probably, well, no, the backs look a little better.
I think, are you leaving those rims on there?
For a long time. The rims I want are $1,500, so. The OG D-Max.
They're not bad.
You still hate them. She still hates them.
No, I do like them. I didn't like them at the start, though. They do look better. Once they're wore down a little bit, I think I'll like them more.
More down?
Yeah, they just look like a really beefy tire
They're knobby.
for that truck.
Yeah, it's.
Zach,
Yeah.
that truck looks like a
It
real
just
truck.
doesn't
now.
look like it fits it. It does now, but it just didn't at the start. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Love you, bye.
Alright guys, so I know this video is kind of a little jumpy. Right now I'm actually heading up to Andy's because I'm going to be starting, well, I'm working on the car, the show again, and making the next video today as well. I know I didn't give too much of a info on what these tires are. So these are Goodyear Duratrax 275/60 R20s. Always heard good things about these tires. Marty's got them on his LOY. And he swears by them. A lot of people I've heard swear by them, and they look really good on the Ram. So I figured give them a shot. I also considered getting BF Goodrich KO2s because they look pretty good too. But I've never heard much on them, and I know these tires, Duratrax, are pretty good. So I figured I'd give them a shot. So yep, $1,000 later, got these tires on the truck. Not that they're that much bigger, but it has made the truck just a wee bit slower. So I'm gonna have to probably do some engine modifications because I don't settle for slower. So yeah, I got that all taken care of. Huge thank you to my sergeant for hooking me up with these. And I'm excited to keep doing little things like this to the truck. I can't explain to you how bad my old tires were. And I still got them because I plan to still like especially like for my wedding. Of course I'm gonna do a huge burnout and drift and all that kind of stuff. So I kept the old tires for that, but I gotta get a locker before that. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Probably will be making like a how these tires are doing video, you know, within a couple thousand miles. And let you guys know if you guys are interested in getting them for your truck, Ram, or whatever it is. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.